Welcome to Cook with Moshu. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Today we are making Schezwan Chicken Lollipop that will leave you craving for more. Let's get cooking. I'm using chicken wings which is cut down to lollipop pieces. I'm using about 8 pieces. I have cleaned it using vinegar and salt. Let's begin the marination with half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder which I am using as substitute for food color, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 green chili finely chopped, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 whole egg. Now let's give it a good mix. I'm using this method to make sure there is no extra coating for the chicken and it turns out to be crispy as well. Let's fry it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Once done, let's begin with the sauce preparation. Heat oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion and cook for 1 minute on medium flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce and add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Mix it well. Now I am going to add some water. If you want to make it semi-gravy, you can add in some corn flour slurry as well. Now we are going to add our chicken lollipop and mix and toss well. Our Schezwan lollipop is ready to serve. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and show some love.